Back.
Let go of me! Rape! 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 All right.
Nope.
Yeah, search me. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm not wearing any underwear. You like that?
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Hands behind your back. Behind your stance.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel where we pull back the curtain on the most volatile encounters ever caught on camera. Today, we're diving into a case that escalates from a simple last call at a local bar to a full-blown psychological roller coaster. Meet Jennifer. What started as a night out at Tequila is about to turn into a legal nightmare of her own making. In the next few minutes, you're going to witness a masterclass in how not to handle a trespass warning. We've got everything from bizarre threats of biting officers to some of the most shocking and baseless accusations you'll ever hear, including a desperate rape cry that leaves the officers stunned. Is this a genuine mental health crisis, or is it a calculated attempt to manipulate the system and avoid a jail cell? As we break down the body cam footage, yet keep a close eye on her transitions. She goes from laughing to screaming to surrendering to God in a matter of seconds. Grab your coffee and stay tuned, because this one takes a dark and surreal turn that you won't want to miss. Let's get into it.
You're no longer able to come to Tequila.
If they're leaving, I'm leaving. I'm good.
Alright, great. Let's go. Come on. You got your license on you? Any identification?
I'm not going to.
Alright, ma'am, you need to leave.
Jen, it's right here.
Y'all are so funny.
Come on, we're not gonna tell you again.
Y'all are cracking.
I'm always going to be there for you, Jen.
You can either get up and leave with us, or if you refuse to leave, we're gonna take you to jail.
Jen. Come home with me.
Yeah.
I'll take care of you for sure.
I'll go home with her.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta do it now, though.
Let's go.
Yeah, come here.
Grab your things and let's go.
Come on, Jen. Brian's staying at my house too. We can take care of it.
Absolutely.
If you want to go with them, you can go with them.
I've
Let's
got
go
your
right now,
drum.
though.
You should come with us.
I got your drum. Come on.
It's definitely much better.
Don't
Yeah,
create something that you
don't
don't regret. Don't create something you regret. Don't touch her. Okay, pick up, sweetie. Jen.
I'm going.
Jen, you can't go when you're ready. You have to go right now.
Ma'am, you're either gonna leave now with your friends, or you're gonna leave with us in our car.
Yeah, look at them. They're
You don't want to go with
serious.
them. You don't want to go with them.
Jen.
I'm not going anywhere.
You should come with us.
I will leave on my own volition. My car is right down there.
We're not gonna tell you again. You're either gonna leave with your friends, or you're gonna leave with us.
Jen.
Don't touch my shit.
Don't. It's too late.
Don't.
Alright, ma'am, just back up for me.
Jen, you have one.
Please just take a step back.
I'll leave it all here. Okay.
Are you gonna come
Are
with
you
us?
gonna leave?
Jen.
Alright, come on. Stand up, please.
Let go of me. I will cry rape.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let go of me. Rape. 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 I'm being raped right now. Rape. You're going to let me go. Let me go.
I got this hand.
All right.
Can you relax for a second?
All right, let's go to jail.
Okay.
That sounds fun. I've never been to jail, actually. This sounds like a good time.
Hold on, I'll double.
Alright. This is cool. I love jail. Never been. That'll be my first time.
Hey, what's your first name, ma'am?
Oh, fuck you.
Okay. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. I surrender. God, I surrender. I surrender. Whatever the fuck they're gonna do, I don't give a shit. They can me. They can lock me up for 16,000 years. I don't care.
So, to our cars.
God, I love you. I love
Just keep her under control.
Thank you. Thanks for helping me watch my stuff.
538, 117.
Thanks for helping me watch my stuff. Y'all are awesome.
Alright, watch yourself again.
Yeah, no, I love
Nope.
it.
You're not gonna do that.
I'm not going.
Ma'am, stand up.
Stand up, stop.
Fuck all of you. And you can let go of me now, and you can undo the chains.
We're not doing that.
I'll get in my car, and I'll go the fuck home. Okay?
Alright, cool. When you want to stay here, then you can stay here.
All right. Take this off me.
Nope, we're not doing that.
See, the
Take this off
the
me.
handcuffs aren't coming.
God,
What's your name?
God, I'm asking you to take
Kathleen?
these off of me right now,
Can
God.
Kathleen take your drum and your other musical instruments?
Sure, I don't care.
Okay.
Fine. Whatever. I'm not going with you policemen, no. That's for damn sure.
We gave you. See, you're already going with us, so we can either go easily, or we're gonna get you in that car one way or the other. So you can stand up and we can walk over there.
Oh, y'all are funny.
We gave you an option to leave, and you didn't leave.
Y'all,
So now
y'all
it's your
need to
second
take this off
option.
me.
They're not coming off.
Yeah,
So
they
you
are.
can stand up and we can walk over to the car, or you're gonna make it a lot harder for yourself.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good right here. I'm good right here, folks.
Jen, how are you planning on paying for your tab?
I have money right in there.
Okay, is there a card you want me to give to them?
There's
to pay for it?
$100 bill in there. Give it to them.
That's what you want me to use to pay the tab?
Yeah, go for it.
We will
Absolutely.
Bring your change back to you.
No, I don't need change. Just give them $100. There's a little pouch, and it's like a little Guatemala type cotton pouch, and there's $100 bill. No, that's not it. It's in the small section on the, I don't know, left or right.
Is this it?
No, it's multicolor. Yeah. I pay my bill.
All right.
Go ahead and get the $100 bill.
You can
Give us 1 second. We'll talk to you in a second. Okay, let's just get her in there.
We're not just gonna kidnap.
Yeah, you're okay.
Just give us a few, okay?
No,
Stand up.
no.
Make it easy.
Fuck you. Alright.
Have we already searched her?
Alright. Nope. Yeah, search me. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm not wearing any underwear. You like that?
No, don't do that. Don't do
Your
that.
hands behind your back. Behind your stance.
Okay. Alright, guy. This is cool.
Do you have anything that's gonna put?
I have
Stick me,
no
poke me, hurt
underwear
me.
on. You like that?
I'm not.
Is
Ma'am,
that fun? You like
Put it.
that? Yeah, go ahead. I have search me. I have nothing. Look, there's my tip.
don't do that.
Why? Are you ashamed? You ashamed of my body? Because we're all one, you know that, right?
Yep.
We're all one. All of us, right
Don't have
here.
anything on.
We're all God.
Switch sides.
No, I got nothing. Wait, sir, I'll turn around.
Don't. Okay, ma'am. Stop.
Face the car, please. Behind your stance.
Sure. Did you get my $100 so you can pay the bill?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Make sure you bring that bag with you, because, you know, got my shit in it.
Don't worry. You will.
Alright. I have no underwear.
No. Okay, don't
What?
stop.
Nothing.
All right, stop it.
I have nothing.
Stop it.
Yeah, you checked everything. I think we're good.
All right, just gotta make sure it's protocol, right?
Yeah. Want to take my shoes off? You can take them off.
Nope, you're good.
I don't give a shit.
All right, she's good. All right, have a
All right,
seat.
ma'am, take a seat.
Alrighty, let's go. Never been to jail. This will be fun. Yay, I'm going to jail. I'm so excited.
Put your head back.
Oh, you can keep that.
Okay, sure.
We're not driving.
Okay. All right, cool.
This is awesome.
Normally, yes. You need what?
I need the cuffs off.
I can't take the cuffs off. You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
But you said it, whatever I need.
Not in that sense. Like if you were like having like a medical emergency or something like that.
I could fake.
You feel okay?
I could fake.
Well, are you? We don't want to wake up the fireman if we don't need to. Are you having a medical emergency?
No, but I want to get the cuffs. Well, yeah, because he's hurt, and I want to get them off.
I can have her
I'll
just.
sit here if you want me to, but
Yeah.
I gotta-
Are they too tight though?
they're too tight.
Okay.
Yeah, they are.
Hey Rodriguez, can we verify her cuffs aren't too tight? She has complaints of tight cuffs.
You just take them off. I'm not a dickhead.
We can't take them off, okay? Like, I'll loosen this one a little bit, okay?
You know what? It's not okay. Because I'm not dangerous to anybody.
I know, but when you're under arrest, we just have to handcuff everybody the same way, okay? It's not like we don't think you're a bad person or nothing like that.
I gave you some more space there.
You need to take them off.
You can't.
And I'll just sit here like a good girl. I promise.
Okay, we'll reevaluate, okay?
All right, wait, just give us a few minutes, all right?
No, you need to take them off now.
Okay, watch.
Can't.
I need this cuff.
Okay, you're gonna fix your handcuffs.
There you go.
All right, just step out real quick for us.
Yeah.
Step out of the vehicle.
So we can fix them.
Jennifer, why are you being so difficult?
We're trying to be nice and gentle.
I'm going home.
Here, switch spots a minute.
I'm going home now. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
not
No.
coming?
No. No. No.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna bite you.
Don't.
I'm gonna bite you.
Don't.
You're fucking hurting me.
I know, you tried to bite me.
Here, switch with me and just put another.
Cuff. Take cuff.
Listen, God, you're my friend, God. I love you, God.
You're okay.
And I'm going home.
I know, just don't
This is
bite me.
me going home. No.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, watch your shoulders. She's
No.
gonna bite.
No. Come on, guys.
Please don't bite anybody.
I'm not fighting anybody. I'm not hurting anybody. I'm going home.
Stop it.
This is me.
11D2 West.
God, I love you so much. Why are you doing this to me, God? God, cut it out. You know we're all God, right? All of us, right here, right now. Come on, kids.
Stop it.
All right, fine.
Thank you.
All right,
I appreciate you.
no problem. Yeah, go ahead. Do what you're gonna do. Fucking me, take me to
Nobody
jail.
wants to rape you. Just don't
I
bite
don't-
us, please.
I put it inside this office.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm calm.
Okay.
I'm calm.
Make sure they're tight enough where she's not going to slip them again.
Just gonna take all night.
This one's good, I think.
Yeah, it's gonna take all fucking.
It's up to you. I mean, honestly, we don't want her to slip it again. Yeah, we'll tighten this one.
Yeah, that one's good. That one hurts. It's good.
Jennifer, why are you acting like this?
There are no lasting results from this. You know this, right?
Exactly.
Unlock it.
There are no lasting results.
Why are you being like this?
Why don't you make it tighter? I would like that. I like pain. Oh yeah, that's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Y'all are the finest cops I've ever met. Oh yeah, cut off my circulation. That's even better.
I'm not cutting off the circulation.
We can do this one.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
I love her.
I'm just hanging out.
She has enough. She has 2 finger spaces in there.
I'm just hanging
No, I
out.
think it's too much.
Think it's too much?
This is so much fun, guys. I love you.
Thank you.
You know I love you. You know that. Right? I love you because I love me. That's right. I love you because we're all one.
Have a seat, please.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No more loosening cuffs, okay?
No, we're good.
Thank you.
You got my bag still?
Yeah.
You still got it.
Ma'am, can you put your feet under the step for me?
Yeah, sure. Of course. Up here?
No, right under it.
Oh, under. Okay. Yep. Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm good.
Alright, I need to get you.
Boy, whoever was talking about Windmere, I'd love to talk to you because I wanted to give myself 3 different times in my life. But you know what I never did? Because life is worth living.
Indeed.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I know so. It's really worth living. I'd love to know who it
Right hand on your belly.
right now. Okay. I'd love to know who's talking about Windmere because we could really talk about stuff. I did attempt to kill myself once, and I had like little tiny scars, but they went away. I'm really glad I did.
You're not even skinny.
And a couple times, like after that, I really wanted to. Like I wrote a note, I wrote like a 4-page note. It took me 6 months. Right?
Hey, Jennifer, not to distract you from what you're currently talking about, but just so you know, we write like a little receipt that has how much money and everything that you have, so it'll be on here. So everything will be documented, okay?
Okay. That's,
You had $125 in case you didn't know.
okay, great.
And Jennifer, I know we explained it earlier, but you're not welcome back on their property. If you
Okay.
come back, you will be subject to arrest again for trespassing.
No worries. I'll never go back there. I promise. I know. Yeah.
What we just witnessed is a textbook case of what happens when entitlement meets the unyielding wall of law enforcement. Let's break down the legal and emotional anatomy of this disaster. First, let's look at the name-dropping tactic. In the world of body cam footage, this is one of the most common and least effective strategies used by suspects. By repeatedly mentioning her foster father is an officer, Megan wasn't just seeking help, she was attempting to exert a social hierarchy over the arresting officers. Legally, this is irrelevant. An officer's duty is to the law and public safety, not to the family members of their colleagues. In fact, most departments have strict policies against professional courtesy in these instances because it creates a massive liability. If these officers had let her go simply because of her father, they would be risking their own careers and opening the city up to a lawsuit from the actual victims of the scuffle. Speaking of lawsuits, let's address her threat to sue. Suspects often scream, "I will sue you," as a last defense mechanism when they feel powerless. However, as the commentary noted, qualified immunity protects these officers. To win a civil suit, Megan would have to prove that the officers violated a clearly established statutory or constitutional right. Since she admitted to drinking, admitted to retaliating by pushing people, and was clearly unable to care for herself in public, the officers had probable cause for a public intoxication arrest. In the eyes of a judge, their actions weren't just legal, they were necessary. The emotional pivot she made, moving from my dad is a cop to I just lost my mom, is a classic sign of drunk logic. She was searching for any leverage, whether it was through authority or through sympathy, to bypass the consequences of her actions. But the law doesn't care about your family tree or your personal tragedies when you're assaulting people on the street.